everybody, it's night out time. Today I'm going to be showing you all the things that I kind of do. Wait, have I got toothpaste? Today I'm going to be showing you all of the things that I kind of do to prep for a night out. Don't get me wrong, a lot of the time I literally do jack shit and you're lucky if I shave my legs. But if I want to feel a bit more glam, get my tan on, get my nails done, these are the things that I do. I always do like get ready with me's, but I never do the sort of prep like behind the scenes sort of stuff. I'm just about to head out and get my nails done. I have not had my nails done in so long. I've had like weird nail experiences. I feel like all nail shops are a bit weird. I'm gonna go and get them done because these are a problem. Let's go, ladies. Oh my god, I'm back and I've got my nails done. No, it's not another day. I don't know why you'd even suggest that. How ludicrous. May or may not be another day. It's maybe like a week later, to be honest. I'm not even that sure. Probably less than a week. I'm gonna judge by my growth and I'm gonna say just under a week. My skin is also quite blotchy because I've just washed it. As you can see, I got baby pink coffin nails, my classic, my go-to. I don't think I've ever had any other nail colour. I just think this is really flattering. Looks good when you're pale, looks good when you're tanned, and that is that, sister. Coffee is literally like a pre-filming ritual for me now. Step 2 of my night out transformation is obviously getting this greasy mop into a foot state. Obviously, as a ton of you guys know, I was born blessed with the beautiful syndrome that is PCOS. Wait, did that rhyme? A lot of my hair fell out, so it's very important to me that I use good shampoos and conditioners with good ingredients in them, and especially that I also notice a difference. You guys know I love Function of Beauty. I've mentioned these in videos before. You don't know what Function of Beauty are? They're basically a really cool customizable shampoo and conditioner brand. You can tailor, this is so cool, just wait for it. You can tailor the ingredients in these to basically suit your hair. You take a little 2-minute quiz online about your hair type as well as your hair goals, and Function of Beauty will customize a bottle for you. That is Jeffree Star approved. I've worked with Function of Beauty before and I had like a cherry one, and look how far through I've got it. So I recently found out my dad's been washing his face with this. And I mean, not ideal, Howard, but your face hasn't fallen off, which proves the ingredients must be good. This time I didn't get any colour, but I did get a pear scent, and oh, pears are such an underrated fruit. There are no sulfates, parabens, toxins, GMOs, and they are 100% vegan and cruelty free. So for my hair type, I put straight, fine and normal because this bitch is and then my goals were to volumize, lengthen, fix split ends, strengthen and replenish hair. They're actually customized, so as you can see it says Function of Flossie. You can have whatever written on there, your name. The reason I wanted to do this sponsorship is because I thought these would be amazing presents. Literally imagine receiving a personalized shampoo and conditioner, especially if you know someone who's struggling with their hair a bit. Okay, I'm gonna shut up about them now because I've probably gone on for so long, but I honestly love this company so much. Thank you so much to Function of Beauty for sponsoring this little segment of the video. The barcode looks so dingy on camera. To be fair, it's probably like the remnants of my fake tan finally soaking off. Oh my god, hi Caroline, how are ya? I'm seeing Rex Orange County on Wednesday, that's what this... She's beauty, she's great.
Wow, I did not realise how small that bikini top was. Literally, why am I such a mess? Even after filming this, I got out of the bath and I realised there was a coffee granule in my tooth. Ooh, oh my god. I've blurred the extra cleavagey bits because I'm not trying to get demonetized over here. Sorry if boobs offend you, but that's kind of your problem to deal with, not mine.
That's what this whole kind of transformation is for, and then I also think I might be going on a night out afterwards. I just don't know how we're gonna cope. My love, Rex Orange County, is probably perhaps obsessive. Not even to mention... Oh, can you see that? Not to mention, literally the last 24 hours of my life have been dedicated to me trying to find an outfit. And yes, tears. That was my tap. Literally, I promise. The last 24 hours have been dedicated to me trying to find an outfit. I just got a bit overwhelmed, you know. How are you supposed to dress knowing you're going to meet your future husband? Actually, no, I shouldn't say that. I really like his girlfriend. I take it back.
And a boyfriend who I'm very happily with before people want to start the whole breakup rumour thing.
I always put conditioner from like here downwards, and I feel like it's just an unspoken rule that whilst you have conditioner in, you wash the rest of your body. I always say about the whole body thing, but I'm actually exfoliating off my tan, so that's not gonna happen today. As Gandhi said, we're out with the old, we're in with the new. Goodbye skies are grey, hello skies are blue. AKA goodbye to this ugly ass tan. You will not be missed in all your patchy glory. The biggest mission of life is taking off necklaces with acrylic nails. If anyone wants to know the secret to literally removing your tan so easily, this Loving Tan mitt is incredible. I haven't tried any other exfoliating mitts, but as you can see, it sounds gross, but it literally just like peels off your tan. Do you remember when everyone used to say if you got skillage and it was like African bum disease? Is it actually African bum disease, or was I just getting played big time? That school could not have been the only school to do that. Everyone, bummage, everyone in the UK will know what, no, not, how do you say bummage? Everyone in the UK around my age should know what skillage is. And boy, if you said yes, you got skillage, you were in for a tricky school career. I'm gonna turn the camera off and just scrub the rest of this tan off, because I think you kind of get the idea. Okay, feeling a bit bye. Oop, face reveal. Oh! Later on in the evening, I was actually gonna tan tonight, but I know I'm gonna go to the gym tomorrow and I don't want it, you know when like you sweat and it all comes off your like boob line. Lol, peep me trying to not say cleavage in fear of getting demonetized. So I'm gonna save the tanning for tomorrow night. Can't wait to look like we've gone to Ibiza overnight. I thought I'd do a little face mask tonight. This is the Starskin Plumping V-shaped compression lace mask. I want my face to be compressed. I got gifted this by Doll Walker, I think. So thank you for gifting it, not sponsored, of course. Oh my god, they actually like weren't joking when they said lace. Wow. Wow. She's looking like a shoot of lingerie. Got those bloody ear holes. If you put the ear holes over your ears on sheet masks, oh my god, it's so cold. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? What is that? Oh, it's for the neck. I'm an idiot. Oh, why is it so cold? Okay, I know earlier I said about the whole ear thing, but oh, she's on. Oh, I guess because it's compressing. It's supposed to like lift. That's fun. Okay, wow, we're really experiencing new things together. Do you know what? I have had a horrendous day, so this is a lovely way to end it. Looking like a psychopath. Now we wait. Or maybe I'll come back to you in 10 minutes.
Honestly, this next minute is literally the definition of crackhead energy. It's like 11 o'clock at night. What is wrong with me? Anyway, so for tan, I use these Samaritz drops and I put them in my moisturizer for my face. And then for my body tan, I use Samaritz or Loving Tan, both in like the darkest you can get. And I always use the Loving Tan mitt. It's the best. And I had some face mask shit in my hair. I'm actually like having it go so fast. My mind's working like 100 miles an hour because my video's going so quickly. Oh my god. So I just put that all over my body. Lol, that's me forgetting to pose for a thumbnail. I just like rub it all over my body and I kind of work in sections. I work from head down to toe. I find that. Actually no, I work up from my toes to my head. What stupid. Yeah, I just rub that everywhere, all over, having a good time, as you can see. Oh, ready for the 2012 YouTube transition. There she is. Wow, looking bronze in charge. Did you just go to Ibiza overnight? No, sweetheart, it's all fake. Right, so that is the end of my video. I think it's a good time to leave it. I love you all so much. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all very, very soon.